Acer, a well-known technology company, has recently unveiled its newest tablet offering, the Acer Iconia Tab M10, in the European market. This mid-range tablet boasts several impressive features and specifications, making it a compelling option for consumers seeking a versatile and reliable device. One of the standout features of the Acer Iconia Tab M10 is its large IPS display. The tablet sports a sizable screen, which provides users with an immersive visual experience for various activities, such as watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web. The IPS technology ensures vibrant colors, wide viewing angles, and crisp image quality, enhancing the overall enjoyment of multimedia content. The Iconia Tab M10 incorporates an IPS LCD panel, ensuring excellent color reproduction, wide viewing angles, and vivid visuals. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, the tablet offers sharp and detailed imagery, allowing users to enjoy high-definition content with clarity. The 60Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and seamless transitions, enhancing the overall fluidity of the user interface. Running on the Android 12 operating system, the Iconia Tab M10 benefits from the latest features, optimizations, and security enhancements provided by Google's mobile platform. Android 12 introduces a refreshed visual appearance, improved privacy controls, and enhanced performance, contributing to a more intuitive and secure user experience. Under the hood, the Iconia Tab M10 is powered by a MediaTek chip, which delivers solid performance and smooth multitasking capabilities. At the heart of the Acer Iconia Tab M10 lies the MediaTek Kompanio 500 chipset, providing the necessary power and performance for a seamless user experience. The Kompanio 500 is a capable mid-range chipset developed specifically for tablets, offering a balance of power efficiency and processing capabilities. To complement the chipset, the Iconia Tab M10 is equipped with 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. This ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance, allowing users to switch between apps, browse the web, and handle productivity tasks without significant slowdowns or lag. In terms of storage options, the tablet offers two variants, 64 and 128 GB. These built-in storage options provide ample space for storing apps, files, photos, videos, and other multimedia content. Additionally, the tablet features a microSD card slot, allowing users to expand the storage further, making it convenient for those who require additional space for their growing digital library. To keep the device powered throughout the day, the Iconia Tab M10 packs a 6000 mAh battery. While the prompt does not specify the charging capabilities of the tablet, it's worth noting that Acer typically equips its devices with fast charging technologies. However, without explicit information, it's best to refer to official sources or product specifications for accurate details on the charging capabilities of the Iconia Tab M10. The front 5-megapixel camera on the Iconia Tab M10 is equipped. It boasts a 13-megapixel camera without a flash on its back. The tablet includes sensors that enable intuitive and interactive use, including an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and gyro sensor. In addition, the Tab M10 has two built-in speakers for better music quality. The tablet weighs 460 grams and has an 8.6mm thickness. The Acer Iconia Tab M10 offers an attractive proposition to consumers with its competitive price point. Priced at $149, the tablet aims to provide a budget-friendly option for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich device, without breaking the bank. While the prompt does not provide specific information about the tablet's availability in other markets, it's worth noting that Acer typically releases its products in multiple regions around the world. The company often expands its product distribution to cater to a global customer base. Therefore, it is reasonable to expect that the Acer Iconia Tab M10 may become available in additional markets beyond the initial European launch. In conclusion, Acer's launch of the Iconia Tab M10 brings a compelling mid-range tablet option to the European market. With its large IPS display, capable MediaTek chip, generous storage options, and long-lasting battery, the tablet aims to deliver a satisfying user experience across various tasks and activities. As Acer continues to expand its tablet portfolio, the Iconia Tab M10 presents itself as a strong contender in the mid-range tablet segment. In general, considering its price tag, it turned out well. As for a tablet, what do you think about this tablet? Have a nice day and see you soon.